Hi, I'm Veronica. Welcome to Stash. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the yarn over knit two together buttonhole, also known as the easiest buttonhole in the world. So if you have a pattern that calls for a knit two together yarn over, that may be because they want you to put an intentional hole in your work, be it a buttonhole or other design element. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. It sounds very intimidating, but it's actually pretty straightforward. First, I have to get to the point in the pattern where I need my first knit two together and yarn over. So I'm just going to knit there. And for my pattern, I'm knitting 3 stitches. And now I'm going to just knit 2 together. So all I'm doing is I'm taking the next 2 stitches and I'm going to go into the left of both stitches, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle at the same time. So my right hand needle is in the back and it goes through both stitches, and then I cast in between and I knit those 2 stitches if they are 1. That is technically a decrease. Now I'm going to cancel that decrease with an increase known as a yarn over. And this is a yarn over. It's so simple, it's ridiculous and confusing. So we just take our yarn from the back, move it between the 2 needles, and swing it around the back again. That is now your yarn over. And now I'm going to show that to you again. I have to knit 6 stitches in my pattern. So now for symmetry, I'm going to show you how to do a yarn over first, in between and over. That's my yarn over. That's it. Super weird. And now I'm going to knit these 2 stitches together as if they are one. Into the left of both. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle at the same time. As if they are one. And complete my row. I just want to show you what that looks like really quick. So this is a yarn over here, a knit 2 together or yarn over. They're always a little more crooked. Here's my yarn over, there's going to be a hole there, and my knit 2 together. And what happens is once I knit over top of these, it's going to look with clear holes. So there's my 2 little holes. So I just want to give you one little tip here. When you're knitting back over your knit 2 together yarn overs, when you knit those yarn overs, they feel awful, like something is wrong, but nothing's wrong. They're just loose, weird increased stitches, but they stabilize once you knit into them. So that is how you do a knit 2 together and a yarn over.